If your Spectrum modem is blinking between the power, online, and voice lights, it means the modem is struggling to establish or maintain a stable connection with Spectrum's network. A solid power light indicates the modem is on. A solid online light means a stable internet connection, and a solid voice light indicates active phone service. When these lights blink alternatively, it often signals a sync loss or no signal state, pointing to issues with the modem's ability to connect to Spectrum's servers. This can be caused by outdated modem firmware, connectivity problems with Spectrum, or damaged cables. It's important to address this issue promptly to restore your internet and phone services. Start with basic checks. Ensure the modem is plugged into a working outlet, all cables are securely connected, and there's no visible damage. Power cycle the modem by unplugging it for 30 to 60 seconds before plugging it back in. Use the Spectrum My Account app or website to check signal levels. Downstream power should be 9 to 15 to plus 15 dBmV, upstream 35 to 45 dBmV. Run a speed test to check for connection problems. For advanced fixes, update the modem's firmware via its web interface at 192.168.100.1. If the problem persists, contact Spectrum support for assistance, or consider a modem replacement. Avoid tampering with the modem yourself, as this may void the warranty. Remember, blinking lights should stabilize within 5 to 10 minutes after a reboot.